Installation and use video of high-speed automatic edge bending machine. First, after receiving the machine, open the guard plate behind the machine. Take out the tray on the guard plate and the control box from it. There are 4 holes in this position of the control box. Align it and lock it tightly. Fix the control box first, then find the vacuum bag and fix it on the vacuum pipe. Fix the vacuum tube to the motor. There is a metal hoop on the motor. Be sure to lock it tightly. Then assemble the tray bracket to fix our bearing rods to the hexagonal lock mother. All 3 must be fixed. Then find our fixing screw and connecting square tube and fix it in this hole on the corner of the machine. Tighten the screw from below. Then find the shaft in the center of our tray. Put it through this hole and fix the nut from the bottom. After fixing it, then put our bearing bracket away, and then put the tray together. The height of the tray is level with the machine table, and its height is adjusted by the position of the 2 nuts of this beam mother. Then find our extended version. Align the white side with 2 holes on the inlet countertop of the machine, and fix it with nuts. The height of the extended version is roughly the same as the countertop. Then the position of the auxiliary bearing is in a straight line with the front support. After adjusting it, it can be fixed. The narrow extended version is at the exit. It is the same high and low as the entrance, and then the high and low are adjusted horizontally, and its level is adjusted by the top wire on the side. Then we install our widening bracket. Fill it with the hole corresponding to the widening bracket, and don't remove the nut inside after filling it. Then lock the nuts inside the outer tool bag directly. After the brackets on both sides are installed, then thread our support square tube from front to back, and then loosen the front screw. Then find the 7-character bracket and fix the screw. Don't lock this lock screw yet. Then leave a gap in the nut above to fix the glazed strip, which is convenient for installing the glazed strip. Then find our glazed strip nut and align it with the card slot under this glazed strip and wear it directly. The height of the glazed strip is equal to the chain block of the conveyor belt, and its height is adjusted through the long hole of this screw. After adjustment, the screws should be locked. Then connect the power cord of our side vacuum motor and the power cord of the control box to the power strip. Connect the trachea to the 8 mm trachea and insert it directly into this connector. Then put our edge bending tape on the tray, and the glued side of the edge bending tape faces the inside of the machine from the height of this imported line through to the edge of the edge bending tape cutting edge. Don't worry about it. When it is not working, the knife edge is closed. Then the imported line height and the outlet line height are both 0.5 mm higher than the edge bending. Then we adjust the height of the pressing beam, loosen the nut and the screws on the side, and the scale of the pressing beam should be 2 mm lower than that of the plate. After adjustment, lock the screws and nuts. Rotate the machine stop switch that controls upward to the right to power on. After power on, there are 2 governors on the control box. The edge bending governor controls the speed of the edge bending belt, and the feeding governor controls the speed of the plate. There are 2 separate switches on the governor. Press 1 to turn it on. After receiving the machine, the speed of the 2 governors should be adjusted to 50 to seal a plate, and see if the front of the edge bending belt can cover the plate. If it can't be covered, adjust the speed of the edge bending governor a little faster. If the front is too long, slow it down a little bit, and the front of one side of the plate is about -1 cm. The answer switch is turned on. Remember to fill up the glued glue before turning it on. It is about 4/5. To adjust the amount of glue shaft, there is a top wire on the side of the glue pot. If you tighten this top wire, the amount of glue becomes smaller and the amount of glue loosening becomes larger. When our actual temperature reaches our set temperature, then start edge banding and trimming. Polish the switches of the feed and side vacuum motors, and then seal the plate.